Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Crescent View is a residential neighborhood located in the southern part of Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. It is known for its quiet streets, modern homes, and family-oriented atmosphere. Development in this area took place mainly in the late 20th century and into the early 2000s, making it one of the newer parts of the city. The neighborhood reflects Moose Jaw's gradual expansion outward from its historic core. The population of Crescent View is made up largely of families, retirees, and professionals who are drawn to its calm setting and newer housing. The area features a mix of single-family homes, well-maintained yards, and open spaces. Parks and walking paths contribute to its appeal, offering residents access to outdoor recreation within a suburban environment. One of the defining features of Crescent View is its proximity to schools and community facilities. Educational institutions and recreational areas nearby make it a practical location for families. The neighborhood is also connected to the rest of Moose Jaw by a network of main roads, allowing for easy access to shopping, services, and employment areas throughout the city. Crescent View does not have the long historical background of Moose Jaw's older neighborhoods, but it represents a more recent chapter in the city's growth. As Moose Jaw expanded during the late 20th century, areas like Crescent View were developed to meet demand for newer housing and modern infrastructure. This shift reflects broader trends seen in many Canadian cities during that time. The character of Crescent View is shaped by its residential focus and sense of space. Compared to older parts of the city, lots are often larger and streets are designed with a suburban layout. The result is a neighborhood that feels open and quiet, with a strong sense of community among residents who value stability and comfort. Moose Jaw has a population of approximately 33,000 people. It is one of Saskatchewan's most historically significant urban centers, located along the Moose Jaw River in the south-central part of the province. The city's name is believed to come from a Cree word describing the shape of the river, although its exact origin remains a subject of debate. The city's development began in the late 1800s with the arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway. Moose Jaw quickly became an important transportation and distribution hub, linking agricultural producers to markets across Canada. Its strategic location helped it grow into a center for trade, commerce, and industry in the early 20th century. Moose Jaw is also known for its unique underground tunnel system, which dates back to the early 1900s. These tunnels were used for various purposes, including storage and, according to local accounts, activities connected to Prohibition-era bootlegging. Today, they are a well-known historical attraction that reflects a lesser-known side of the city's past. Another key part of Moose Jaw's identity is its connection to the military. The nearby Canadian Forces Base Moose Jaw has been an important training center since the mid-20th century. Established in 1941 as part of the British Commonwealth Air Training Plan, the base continues to play a major role in the local economy and community life. Today, Moose Jaw blends its historical roots with modern development. Its downtown features heritage buildings and cultural sites, while newer areas like Crescent View reflect ongoing growth. The city remains a regional hub for services, education, and tourism, offering a mix of history, community, and prairie landscape that defines much of southern Saskatchewan.